We've got new life in the Native Eternal Terrarium. As you can see, a new plant sprouted, and it came pretty much out of nowhere. It doesn't look like any of the plants that were in here before, so there must have been a seed in the dirt which decided now would be a good time to sprout. And hopefully this little plant will do well, being the first of a new generation of plants in this terrarium. The second pair of leaves already started to grow. And then I suddenly saw trails in the morning condensation on the glass. And to be honest, I have no idea what they're from, but they are probably made by some sort of snail or slug. While I was filming some dead leaves with my new macro lens, because I wanted to show you that the decaying process is going really slow due to the lack of a cleaning crew, I suddenly came across this little guy, who I hadn't seen before. And that's not that weird, because I estimate it to be less than 1/10 of a millimeter long. When I suddenly saw another one, I wondered if maybe these were the mysterious black dots from the previous update. And well, I'm pretty sure they are. One of the first things I did was count how many legs these critters have, and I counted 8, so I knew it wasn't an insect. There are 3 types of animals that have 8 legs: spiders, ticks and mites. It's not a spider because I couldn't clearly distinguish 2 body parts or links, and it's not a tick because it's way too small to be a tick. So these are mites. Don't ask me what exact species though, because there are over 45,000 different mite species. Here's what they look like without a macro lens. I also found a white mite of about the same size, and I also found a springtail, but it looks kinda dead, so it's kinda not very useful. That's about it for this update. If you want to see more updates, well, you're going to have to subscribe. Thanks for watching.